I've started my live stream just for you, for your ace, so please do it.
Well, I'll have to wait for Sylvan to load in so then I can ace.
Fuck off. No, yeah, I'm loading very slowly because of my holiday.
I bet.
I don't have the money for a SSD.
Bro, same. I'm poor.
Me too.
Ich bin vergewaltigt worden, oder wieso? Me too. Ah, da hocke ich so gern mit dem Blick dahin. Ah.
Alright, here we go. I'm ready.
15 seconds until your
Someone
ace
get
is
over
coming.
here so they can help me if I need help.
Where are you?
I'm running.
Down at main entrance.
Coming.
Alter, ist das ein Mädchen?
Are you a woman?
Back
Or a
up
girl?
here.
Are you a girl?
Yep, I am.
Ah! I'm scared.
Where is your ace?
They spawn in different spots.
That went well.
It
very
works 90%
well.
of
And now it's one of the 10%.
That's how you do it.
No, it was because Z went Legion. That's why.
I went Capcan.
It's all Z's fault. Blame Z.
That's how. Why blame me? No.
Because you played Legion, that's why I lost. You were
You are
supposed to go
just
dock.
bad.
Pretty bad, yeah. I mean, look at my rank. That's why I'm copper 4. Level 151, but copper 4. Yeah, I'm terrible, dog. I can't play this.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
Ah, stimmt, ich habe jetzt eine andere Taste drauf für C.
Yeah, not like I have 872 hours on this or anything.
Holy shit.
I've got 800.
Do you have something like social life or some friends, or you just play it
Yes,
as
I
a game?
have a social life.
What is a social life? I don't know what that means.
I just prefer to play this.
Okay, everything is clear.
Honestly, friends. Why would you need friends?
If
Yeah,
you can
make
have online friends.
Make online friends, yeah, while playing Siege.
Can
That's how you do.
Does someone has an idea where they're coming from?
What? Sorry, what'd you say?
You know the direction they're coming?
They're coming from the eastern front.
Okay. Ah.
I shot side.
For sure, I'm
Oh,
pretty
no.
sure Ash is inside.
No.
Alright, watch out, they have guns and bullets.
Again?
Yeah. Occasionally they switch out to a
Watch out,
melee
watch
weapon.
out.
No, that's
Not
just like fluffy toys. There are no weapons for you, like a girl.
I feel.
Scared.
Maverick on start.
It's a video game, don't be scared. Not like the
Actually, kind of
actual.
jumpy. Okay.
Alright, I'll make sure to scream very loudly at the most unexpected moment.
Ash on the roof.
Okay, thanks.
Boo.
Meine Fresse, Alter.
Recruits gone to A.
No,
I
no,
love
no,
the
it's fine,
system.
you guys.
I love the system from headshots.
Downstairs.
I'm shoot him like 5 times in the head and he doesn't die. Well,
That's how
buggy
Siege works.
soft.
Two on A now.
One was outside there.
Du musst ihr helfen, Silvan. Du musst jetzt von der Seite kommen. Gar nicht zu ihr, du gehst von der Seite.
15 Sekunden noch.
Right time. Ja, jetzt lang, lauf. Jetzt machst du rechts und dann...
Ein Kämpfer des eigenen Trupps.
Lol. Ich hab doch gedacht, ich sei gerade der vorbeigelaufen.
Easy. Good job.
Kill them, I want some assists. Schau, wer zweiter ist. Hey, yay. Alter, ich latsche so an der vorbei, oder? So. Wait a second. Da ist doch jemand gewesen.
Z, what are you talking about? I got that 3K.
You got an ace, right?
Actually, I'm pretty sure Quad got the ace.
Yeah,
Quad's
Honestly,
the god of the game.
I know, thanks, man.
I don't.
Honest.
That means a lot to me.
Are you a German guy? Quad.
Yeah.
Ah, I thought about your accent.
Hello.
Yeah.
So, du verstehst Deutsch?
Nö.
Ja, Mann.
Schweizer sogar?
Nee.
Ah, okay.
Ach,
Dachte einen
schade.
kurzen Moment, ich höre den Schweizer Akzent in deinem Hochdeutsch. Aber nee.
Nee.
Von wo aus Deutschland?
Ah ja.
Ja, hätte ich aber nicht gedacht.
So wie Schweizer denn?
Who
I'm
plays
scared and
Recruit?
confused.
Because
I'm
of?
actually
I do.
German too.
You're German too?
Really?
Yeah.
Also können wir gleich mal Deutsch.
Nice.
Wir können Deutsch sprechen und einer versteht uns nicht. Schade.
Ja, scheiß auf den. Lass mal auf den Scheiß.
So you're recognized, hopefully, that you're the only one that doesn't understand German.
Learn German dann.
Or even better, learn Swiss German.
Oh yeah.
Silence.
Okay.
Oh,
Weißt-
ein Drohnenspot. Illegal. Muss mal schauen.
King?
King
Yo,
Kong?
so,
Oh, okay, you're still there. I
Lol.
just thought you left or something.
Yeah, I thought it for 1 second too.
no, I had to leave for a second. I thought you guys were plotting to kill me.
Wait, what?
I think that.
I don't know. My German isn't that good.
So do you understand a
Yeah,
little
yeah.
bit of German or?
Sorry, what? I couldn't hear you over the barricade breaking loudly in my ear.
Meine Fresse, halt, ich werde eindringen, so. Okay, never mind.
Just repeat the last thing you said.
Wieso ist der offen?
Got it.
Da ist offen.
Sorry, were you talking to me?
Du kannst reingehen, ich kann es gar nicht aufhören.
No, the other guy.
Who's the other guy?
Der Pussy hat
Probably you.
Okay.
Someone asked a question. I didn't hear it.
Yeah, I didn't hear you too.
FBI open up.
Oh hell yeah.
Ow.
Can we get you up again or?
Aber da hast du kommt Interrogation.
Cav is on me and Taro. Never mind.
I always get your back.
Thank.
Rook's in that one room
Wie
back
ist clear?
there.
Wie ist clear? Fuck! One me.
Oh hell no.
Oh,
Yellow.
I'm dead.
I swear I'm not usually this good.
You got 2 assists. That's amazing.
I know. I'm flexing hard out here.
Flex it.
Oh fuck.
Meine Fresse Schuhe, Alter.
Einer geht da an meiner Tür.
Gegner verbleibt.
Ja, das ist bei mir, das ist bei mir.
Einer vom eigenen Trupp verbleibt.
On me.
On B. I think.
Du
on
hast
the
den
bed.
Entschärfer fallen gelassen.
Was machst du?
Entschärfer wurde erneut gesichert.
Oh. Jetzt kannst du gerade links in das Pult
Entschärfer ist
schaffen.
aktiviert. Du suchst ihn um jeden
Nein.
Preis.
Oh fuck.
Yikes.
Nice try.
Sorry.
Yeet.
Ah, ich hab doch gedacht, ich gehört irgendwo rechts. Ah, der ist dort hinten gewesen.
Entschärfer wurde deaktiviert. Mission gescheitert.
Ich hätte hinten rausrennen. Aber schau, wer fast zu oberst ist. Also, Freundschaftsansage senden. Ja. Würde ich die funny finden. Mayonnaise King, Alter. Freundschaftsanfrage.
Yay, I got 2 more friends.
See, this is how you make internet friends if you have no social life.
Too
You
easy.
don't need a social life.
Pretty easy, I think.
Alter, das ist so das Geilste.
Easy.
Most of the people I know from the internet, so yeah.
They don't think it'd be that way sometimes, but it do. Come on, Sylvan,
Ich
there.
habe gerade gemerkt, ich kann ja Sachen über Google Übersetzer laufen lassen.
Oh nee, nee,
Das ist einfach nur das Zeichen, aber...
Die Gegner haben eine Waffe entdeckt.
Jetzt
Verteidigt.
kann man am Anfang von dem Spiel einfach Hello reinschreiben und dann... Egal. Das ist ja mega, Mochi.
I like my aiming pretty much. I need 1 magazine for 1 fucking drone.
Yeah, I saw that.
Nur noch 10 Sekunden. Nur noch 5
Ja, hol
Sekunden.
dich noch auf, keine Angst.
Der Gegner hat eine Bombe lokalisiert. Macht euch angriffsbereit.
Bruder, für etwas spiele ich Capcan, Alter.
Sorry. Didn't mean to hit you.
Did you?
I don't know, I thought I hit Kaid. Thought I shot you like once.
I think it was the enemy.
They
Right
haven't
behind?
even destroyed 1 camera. And Joel, unuse a drone. Right to your feet. Right to your fucking feet, there's a fucking drone.
Yeah.
Alter Joel, enttäusch mich nicht, Dankeschön. Oh lol, Alter, ich bin eigentlich kurz in der Drohne. Und schon sind 3 von uns tot.
Brad.
Easy club. All on stairs. Black on stairs. Blackbeard rotating. No, that's an OP spot. Shit, here we go.
Tasty.
Blackbeard is back on thing.
Nur noch ein Gegner übrig.
Silvan.
Mann, ich kann mich gerade freuen für einen Moment und dann kommt der von hinten. Ja, keine Ahnung, Alter.
Schau mal meinen Spot da. Ich kann einfach crouch bleiben. Lol, also wegen dem Blumentopf kann ich jetzt da.
Lol.
Switchen, Alter.
So Frost is banging the little plant underneath him.
Nur noch 15 Sekunden.
Last one is used, by the way.
Eigener Trupp siegreich. Alle Gegner eliminiert.
Nein, jetzt ist... Oh ja, ich bin MVP!
Ja, ist noch nicht fertig.
Ja, aber ich hab schon gedacht, so fuck, der Joel ist auf dem 2. Und dann schau ich so, oh well, ich bin auf dem 1.
You have a kill. I'm so proud of you.
Oh.
Mayonnaise.
Der Mayonnaise-König.
Die Legende da.
We're talking about mayonnaise.
Yeah, we're talking
Yeah.
about actually you.
You finally have a kill.
We're also proud of you. Yeah, you do.
Oh, that's unfortunate. What's so funny about that?
Mayonnaise.
Oh god.
I was proud of you. Okay?
Mayonnaise.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, laughing doesn't sound like too proud. Still laughing.
Ketchup.
Sorry.
I don't see the appeal of this. I don't see how this is funny in any way. What's the joke?
We tried to support you, so take the support.
Support is not a joke.
I just can't stop. Sorry.
Just be that way.
Ah,
sometimes.
so them. Same spot. Never mind.
Alright, Sylvan, if you don't get an ace this round, then I'm gonna cry.
So you can take your tissues because you're gonna cry probably.
Alright, Sylvan, you better ace.
I've never aced before.
Alright, well now's your
I
chance.
did.
So
Times.
no, I want to
Might
get
be good
MVP. I have a challenge going on with Joel that will be once
Go for the
bef. Never mind.
If you don't have multiple recruit aces, that's disappointing.
Wait, what?
Those are the only aces that count.
So I have to team kill Joel. So
Okay.
That is correct.
what was that sound?
I forgot how to talk. I'm sorry.
Well done. I thought like, never mind. Man, I won an ace.
Well, dogs in bathroom.
And I've missed it 2 times already. No, that's my kill.
Blitz ace?
I wanna get this kill, buddy.
Blitz
That was my kill, Sledge.
4K?
Never mind.
No. I saw my name.
I
Map
planned
14.
diffuser.
Entschärfer ist aktiviert. Beschützt ihn jeden Preis.
Can all of you die? I want to be MVP, please.
No.
Did I hear TK Z? Yike.
You're welcome.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Wait.
Is he not gonna push?
Oh no.
Stole my first place.
No, I want 1 kill this round. You got it. Yeah.
Wait, I'm sorry.
There we go.
Ah.
Doing better than Z.
Yay, I'm MVP. Oh, Joel, you're. Oh. Ah.
The fuck?
There we go, and I got the Berlin Wall.
Oh.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Trying to take it away from you.
Do we go on a second round?
Yeah, let's do
Yeah, of
that.
course.
Mayonnaise oder Ketchup? Mayonnaise.
Sanft, Bruder. Hey, wieso haben die Fight verloren? Den all verloren? Ah, die laden die sein. Ja, ich bin gerade eingeladen. Ja, ich lade dich nachher ein.
Mayonnaise, Ketchup or Mustard?
Ah,
Mayonnaise, Ketchup oder Senf?
Alter, ich muss mal schnell Dings, Optionen, Audio, Push to Talk auf eingeschaltet. Joel is probably gonna join in 1 second, hopefully.
Oh, okay. Are you two friends?
Yeah.
No, they're not friends. They're
Yeah.
worst enemies.
No, only if it goes to MVP.
Oh, best friend.
We're best friend until it gets to the MVP.
Yes, then it becomes lovers.
Yeah,
Who stole
absolutely.
my MVP again?
Me.
I believe it was
Okay,
me.
I hate you.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Dang, look at that. Her emotions changed from happy to anger. Split second.
I was like very happy.
Wo bleibst du?
Ja, laat mich doch mal nicht.
Ich hatte dich schon die ganze Zeit eingeladen.
Who said I was? You're the one that's doing it if you're saying
I
it.
was.
Get out of here. Get your head out of the gutter. It's Siege.
I'm sorry.
This isn't Call of Duty.
Inviting is so hard.
That's ranked here. Let's go. I'm the highest rank in our lobby. Technically.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. So
I'm
you're
like-
gonna ace the next round?
know, I can
Mayonnaise,
tr- I can try
Ketchup
that.
oder Senf.
Mayonnaise.
Oh.
Mayonnaise all the way. Oh, ace time.
You said that before I started the stream and it wasn't an ace, so you disappointed all my viewers.
No, it's ace time. Okay, someone took sledge, so I'm gonna have to go. No, you. Don't be rude.
No, you.
Wow. Okay, now Z's making fun of me. I see how it is.
That's the
Just
go.
because I'm
That's
playing- just because
that's.
I'm playing the greatest op in the game, I'm immediately
Because
laughing.
I know you had like 1 kill the whole time after.
I had an ace. What? I had 1 ace.
He's like, oh, I got 1 kill, so now I have to play recruit because otherwise it's too
Don't worry.
easy.
It is.
Yeah, that's true.
I have over 100 hours on recruit. This is the only good op.
Yeah, then we're back to
Someone
social
played
life.
the game, I think.
What?
Out of all 900 something hours, the best op on my stats is probably recruit. Recruit or Twitch.
Recruits. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah,
pretty hot.
especially when it comes to the reinforcement. You miss
Yeah.
because you only have 1.
I'd bang a recruit, no homo.
Okay, never mind.
Dog, I said no homo, but I'm gay. Kind home.
No homo, and he's got the unicorn skin for Tachanka, so yeah.
And black ice, don't forget that.
Do you have the furry skin
No.
for smoke?
Oh,
For smoke?
Oh, for smoke? No, of course not. I have the elite instead. I don't want to be a furry.
My brother does, and he is a furry.
Oh my
That sounds like-
gosh, no. Well,
Oh,
well,
that was fast.
that was fucking fast.
Instant.
Ah, okay. I wanna get.
Okay,
Ah,
right as I was about to scan it. Guess I'll just head out then.
they have Capcan, they have Pulse. What I've seen, like there is,
Do
There
they
is-
have Legion?
there is some gigging.
Probably not. Legion's not good. He's god tier.
Oh no, he's aiming at
Legion
the
is
drones,
fine.
but no, you won't get my drone. Ha ha ha. Oh, that no,
Pretty sure
never mind.
Legion is single.
Oh,
Pretty sure I like Legion. Leave me alone.
You should hit him up. He's single.
okay. We will leave you alone. 1 second. So
Mayonnaise.
we leave you alone.
Stop peeking there. Okay, who the hell
Okay,
did
good for them.
wanted to kick me?
Me, because you said you want to be alone.
Yeah, it was cool.
I did.
Take it as a joke. Don't take it too serious,
They're not
please.
spawn peeking.
I did not take it seriously. Okay.
They're not spawn peeking because I'm in.
Did you got the dock?
Never mind. So, Cab was upstairs.
Capcan's on B.
Yeah, Cab is right there, Quad. Quad, to your
As
left.
like
To your right. In the bathroom.
I think if I see that right,
right.
that's the never mind. They have some rotational from drugs labor. Oh no, huh? I'm confused.
Did I hear drugs?
From drugs labor.
Drugs? Where?
All over the place.
Okay.
Pulse is on A.
Yeah.
Drone and B. There's
Pulse is on Xanax.
that. Captain that. Sylvan, you can go and watch out, Frost. Watch out. Maybe try to plant. On B.
Jesus.
Holy mother Jesus.
Entschärfung eingeleitet. Entschärfer bestimmt.
Pulse in there. Fuck. Pulse on the right side.
Ein verbleibender Opfer
Pulse low, I think.
eigenen Trupp.
Well, I got fucked in everything
Leave
single
this
hole.
out.
Um,
They came into the urethra. That's
Left
toxic.
side, left side.
Yeah, left.
Fucking leave.
Letzter verbleibender Gegner.
Good job.
That's how you do it.
Okay, I have to turn the volume down from the voice chat.
You should
God,
have used the
I'm
revolver.
sorry.
See, that was an ace.
Yeah. Definitely not.
I thought for one moment, wait, was that nice? But luckily it wasn't.
Okay, you took. I hate you.
Sexy skin over there.
And I don't even have that many ops. Thank
You can have
you.
him back.
No.
Actually, can I see Legion for a second again?
Well, that's a awesome elite skin from Smoke. I've never seen it,
Oh,
saw
yeah,
it
like
before.
He looks like a Chad.
He looks like a rat or something like that.
Yeah.
I mean, they did kill what, a third of the entire population of Europe.
What?
He's British.
Who's British?
Smoke's
Smoke.
British.
Die Bombenschützen.
And you said he looks like a rat.
Yeah,
I didn't.
me.
Someone
I
else.
did.
Said
I did.
Did I hear Z wants a TK?
What? No.
Team kill or what?
Please don't.
Gassing time.
I'm sorry, I'm
Du-
sorry.
du- 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 du. Ah! That was my drone.
I'm
Ha.
sorry.
Got that drone.
Are we done now?
I don't know, are we? It's up to you.
10 Sekunden.
Yeah, okay, we are done.
Oh
Alright,
fuck!
we're not done. Got it.
I have some Capcan traps left.
Stay the fuck away from me.
No.
Die Gegner haben eine Bombe lokalisiert.
I need a bit more time than this 45 seconds to plant all my stuff.
No. You only need 30.
No!
You need 10 seconds. Yeah, they're all on cafe.
Where's
Uh,
that again?
At the other side of the room. Yeah,
Right
at
there.
the flat. No,
I kept rubber banding. That was weird.
some Capcan trap has been.
Flanking.
Okay, so I rotate back.
Someone's in cap.
I like the sound of like if you get hit to down to 10 HP and you can't hear anything. Oh well, I got a support. Oh, this last one is Sophia. Oh, hey there, you have many HP left.
I had 1 health the entire time, and I killed them both with a shotty.
Oh my
was
God.
one tap, and I made them leave. I'm too good at this game.
Yeah,
oh.
I d-
Okay, don't look at the
I'm
kills.
better than Z on every level.
Have they left because you killed them with your shotgun?
Yeah, they got mad. It's a hose mad moment.
Oh.
Who's mad?
Please never say that again in that way.
Yeah, okay, sorry. But, can I have Twitch?
I don't know, can you?
I mean, if you would. Thank you.
Why do you have all the skins.
Yeah, I have basically all of them. Okay, don't judge.
But if you
Okay, I
want
don't judge you because you have like how many hours of playtime?
Over 900.
Yeah. I thought about it. Was it something with 9, but 900 was too much, and I thought, okay,
I
just
really
ask,
only
and
want
then
the Mira Elite. Mira Elite is the only one I want because Mira is my main. That's the only
Mira's
one I need.
cute.
Yeah, I know. Once I have Mira, then both my mains will have an elite on them.
wow, life goals reached. So
Yeah.
afterwards you can die in
Quad
peace.
should get an elite.
Who? Sorry?
Quad
Watch
should
out,
get an
watch
elite.
out
I
for
got
frost
one.
traps.
Oh, never mind.
Person should get an elite. Quad Racer 8 should get an elite.
In
Yeah.
10 Sekunden. 5 Sekunden. Bombe
I
gefunden.
probably never attacked this spot, so I don't know how
Bro,
to.
I've got black eyes for too many guns.
Why do you?
I got
Why didn't
I got black.
didn't you just say that?
I got black eyes for
I
one
ate
weapon I
something.
couldn't use because I don't have enough money to buy the operator. So well, fuck.
It took me
Watch
about
out.
500 hours to grind up for every single operator.
Really? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I started out with only
Joel,
6
it's
operators
free.
total.
It's free. This room you peeking in.
I started without an operator, so
So there is a frost trap right when you go into
Yeah, lucky I
the.
had to work for them.
can I go in there? Can I go in there?
Yeah, it's free. You can go in there. So
And now?
Someone's on 8.
okay, never. The camera is on at the corridor.
I destroyed something.
Watch this, I'm about to rush in with a pistol. Where's a hatch? I need a new hatch. There.
One got some damage.
I'm in. I'm in with a
Ace
pistol.
clear.
Let's go. Push it. Plant.
Hey, clear.
Yeah, I'm on my way. How
Plant.
how can I get down?
That's your plan.
Oh, there. I'm coming.
Open it up. I'm opening it up.
I'm
Come on
planting.
now.
Bruh.
I'm got killed from behind. Yay! It's Legion.
Behind.
Open. Open up.
Why it's always me who got killed if he plants?
No, I got killed too.
Oh,
Yeah.
never mind.
Oh my fucking god.
I thought 1 second. So don't shoot and then you knife him. Okay, well.
Yeah.
I don't say anything.
Oh my god.
Oh. Is it possible that the leaderboard is quite like turned around? So
What?
because I'm lost, Joel is second.
Oh, I see what you
Yeah.
mean. I see.
Very bad from you, Silvan.
Another alpha for me.
I was MVP before, so hey Joel, now you can do your challenge. Win 3 games in with 5 team members.
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
my god, yeah.
Oh, boah, Jesus.
Got a hel-
Oh, I already got the charm.
False.
I don't want
Probably
the dog
looks
on my weapon.
stupid.
So
Sucha, bled.
I'm MVP.
Heil.
Willst du Spaß, brauchst du Gas.
Joke.
That's a joke he doesn't understand.
Nazi.
What? Stop speaking Nazi.
Yeah.
I'm a Swiss I'm from Switzerland. I'm neutral at all. So I don't want to hurt any other country.
I'm so confused
What did I hear about
right now.
speaking
and I-
Nazi?
What?
Z, continue.
What?
What?
Let the girl
Continue what
speak.
you were saying.
I'm a gentleman and let the girl speak.
Yeah, then let me speak.
9.
So are you gonna speak
I
or?
don't want to talk anymore.
Oh my God.
Like everyone was waiting on you and you're like, no, I don't want to talk.
Like,
Let's just let them
I
wait.
have no idea what I wanted to say.
That's the. Hä?
Silvan,
King
diese
is you.
Stimme erinnert mich an irgendwas.
Hä? Welche Stimme? Also von wem weißt du
Ihre
jetzt?
Stimme.
Ah, Iri. Meinst du an die Dings da von dem Insta vom Joshua oder wie?
Ja.
Ah, die? Ja, eben, ich hatte eben zuerst auch gemeint, dass es die ist, aber ich glaube eben nicht.
Ja, voll. Nein.
So asozial, wir reden einfach Schweizerdeutsch über sie. Yeah, we talk about a person in our group.
Hawks.
Oh, it wasn't you.
Oh, you guys are gonna
It was
TK me,
me.
right?
Yeah, it was you.
Are you sure?
Oh no, der Mut.
Upstairs.
Oh, they're saying that they're gonna TK Z.
I honestly have no idea.
It was about
German.
that was Swiss German and German probably can't
Oh,
understand
that's why.
Swiss German
no,
at
I
most.
I did hear.
You did hear us? Oh, congratulations.
I didn't understand the half of it.
The half.
Then let us switch to Swiss German, okay?
So if you aim like you aimed with your Twitch drone on the cam, you will never get a kill. King.
That's false. I always get it. Every time.
No, you don't.
Ah, there.
Switch to Swiss
I
German.
get it more time than you
Stop
do,
lying.
Z. Get it.
Now we were talking about the girl, like we was on Discord yesterday and another friend brought what was brought another girl on the Discord and it has like the same
Whoa,
Ah.
2 gamer girls? Crazy.
Oh my god.
no the other one wasn't a gamer girl, the other one was just a girl and he want to talk to her while gaming and
They just want to fuck, okay?
yeah, probably.
I see.
Yeah.
And
It's like
your voice, remember,
So sorry.
Wow.
I apologize dearly
and
for my crimes against the German country.
and your voice was, remember me, quite a lot of this girl, so we talked about
The frick?
Okay, now I'm
The
sorry.
heck?
could I get a kill? Ooh, ah, behind cover, interrogation. 3, 2, 1.
Not just Carrera. Legion and Vigil on the floor.
LOL, what?
Right. Basta.
So,
So what?
Yo, it smells like a lot of beans.
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 What's your favorite kind of bean?
Beans.
That's not a type of bean.
Beans.
Thank you, Kanye. Very cool.
Beans.
Bean.
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 Y'all ever just bean?
Yeah, I'm just a bean.
Yo, you can't say that.
Why not?
Because you're a human. Beans
Legion
aren't
is
people.
Like I
Okay,
care
people are
about that.
Kevlar.
good job.
Good
Yeah.
job.
Bitch lasagna.
So you're India, you
That was
lose.
a great cover.
know what?
What?
I just got clapped.
Whichever will it be? Set the fuck down, please. Reese, I'm here.
I love you so much for
Trying to
that.
dethrone me from spot.
You're number
There you
one,
go,
so
you
you're India. You lose. You got 0 by bitch gun.
So I think you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely freaking done because it only just begun. I review you.
Lasagna.
Imagine
Okay,
not
now
knowing
play
all the
Old
words
Town
to the
Road.
Bible.
What? Hey, congratulations to your
She said play
corporation.
Old Town Road.
Old Town Road. I could play this on piano if you want, but my piano isn't right on the micro.
I can't play the piano. I can only play
Shut
the
up, I know
accordion.
the lyrics.
Accordion or what?
Here. Yeah, I play the. I have one from East Germany.
Oh well.
Yeah, it's a really old one.
Yeah, and accordion isn't simple at all
Yeah,
to play.
pretty fun actually. I enjoy it.
Yeah, you can play.
Not good at it, not anymore at least. I haven't played it really in about 6 years.
Yeah, well. But is it easy to learn?
The piano.
Oh, oh, guy.
Well, not anymore, but sometimes, you know.
Yeah, sometimes. No, well, never mind. But like, if you played the piano once, it doesn't. I forgot what I want to say. Piano titles.
Yo, why are you reinforcing that, Joel?
Because of the points.
But we needed that one. Or these ones.
You didn't
never mind.
seriously do that.
So you're India,
Just
you
leaving
lose.
open areas. Man, reinforced between objectives.
Yeah,
Those
I don't
people
want
are the
this,
best ones.
ring.
I probably don't have some reinforcement. No. Who wants a drink?
Oh, I do. Give me it.
You. Okay. You're the girl, so you behind the
You're
desk.
gonna have to see some ID first.
Hey, I want some drinking. Hey.
Me.
Okay.
You want me to make you sandwich?
Never mind.
I can make my own sandwich.
What the
Yeah.
Oh,
fuck?
thanks.
I haven't seen anyone Blackbeard.
Can you make me one?
I could.
Charge.
Who are you meaning? To who are you talking?
Okay.
There was 2 legion traps.
Next there.
They're coming at A at the door. There's something flew in.
I'm so stupid.
God, I
Finishing
can't.
Left by the way.
Lel. Knock is at
Well,
1
She's
Like
down, she's mine.
20%. Thanks for the support. Oh
Wait, I'm last?
yeah.
Why didn't nobody told me?
9.
I was aiming at the door and like I thought somebody is coming from behind from our team.
Excuses.
Yeah, it's an excuses.
It's a bad one.
But it is one. and at the most of the time it's always the same. So yeah. Run away, run away.
Fuck.
I also love you, Sylvan.
Why?
Oh, when's the wedding?
Never.
I did.
Oh,
No homo.
I got 0 kills, but at least I'm in front of Shoel.
Bro, deja vu. I just been in this place before.
Have you ever been to Old Town Road?
Yeah.
Really?
Like 20 Old Town roads. There's like over 20 Old Town roads in America.
Oh, wait, what?
It's not that hard to find one.
Oh, really?
It's extremely easy.
I thought why. Yeah, probably. Yeah.
3 hours and it's not that long.
For America, probably not. If you drive,
8
if
hours and I'm still gonna be in the same state.
yeah, and if you drive,
Yeah.
and if you drive 8 hours in Switzerland, you can cross the country for like 2 times.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all are
Maybe
weak.
one time.
Can't handle driving 8 hours.
Yeah, in Switzerland you couldn't handle because
Let's get Kavera, and she's already pink. Never mind.
like probably in America you can drive 1 hour or 2 hours on the highway and you will still be on that one. In like in Switzerland, if you drive
Yeah,
like
bro.
1 hour on the highway, we'll probably be on another city.
Yeah.
Like in America, you
1
can.
hour on the highway, you'll be in another city, but
Yeah.
you know, you'll still probably be in the same state.
Yeah. Oh, spawn peeking. Wee.
What the
That's
fuck? I
Gordon.
reloaded, but wasn't there weren't some bullets in.
That's Legion.
Malaysian.
Told you, recruit is OP.
Could you leave me some kills?
No.
Oh my fucking god! What the fuck?
Sorry.
Once in the kitchen, I think.
Oh, Caveira interrogate. Fucking hell! Why interrogation again?
It's always you.
Yeah. Caveira is so OP with his pistol. Like I saw her,
Her.
and yeah,
The fire pistol.
I saw her, and in the next second I was dead. I was injured.
That's how it works.
Yeah.
They already nerfed it.
Behind, in here, in art room, help me. Oh,
I don't know how I did that.
I'm in front of Silvan. No.
you pulled the trigger.
Yeah, but like,
I think
Walked forward.
until
Trigger.
until we're in the same team, like in the same group, I suck.
yeah, you do.
Silvan, you know the song?
Wait, I don't know. I have another one.
I'm sorry if I'm being rude.
Silvan, you know that?
Probably no one knows that song, except of you, Joel.
Let's go. Ich weiß, du wie schmeckt, Babe. Shit the prime, wir fahren immer rein.
I know it.
What? Have you heard it before?
Nope.
Just play it again, please.
Yeah, well, 1 second. Yeah. So it's probably on Swiss German, so. Wird die ganze Nacht. That's Swiss German parody of sex tape from Katja.
You can't know this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know the.
I
I
want to
know
hear
the
some
original
original
song.
Doggy is a good one, but Gucci Girl's alright.
Yeah, the new songs are quite a
I know
piece
all
of
the
shit.
songs.
Okay,
Waiting
stop.
for
Please
that.
don't.
Just waiting for the new album to come out on January 17th.
Why do you know when the album is coming out?
I have to. Why wouldn't I? I listen to the music.
They have
It's an
beautiful
experience.
songs.
Okay, I never thought like American people listen to their song. I like to the songs from Katja.
It's a spiritual journey. Hey, Doc, can you heal me before I die? Great.
Sorry, that came a bit late.
Well, that's gonna be on impossible.
That's unfortunate.
Or at least Blackbeard is lower, I think.
That's real unfortunate.
Real estate.
About to clap.
Okay, one was. Oh, never mind. That was Mayonnaise King. Oh, I've injured someone with Capcan Trap. I've injured someone with Capcan Trap. I don't know.
Diffuser on ping.
Well, diffuse on ping.
Okay, never mind. Is that?
Behind Maverick.
Are you alright?
No. I'm all left.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, there was some quick reflexes on the head.
Nice.
Ah!
52 points, my lord. 52. How are you
You're
not
actually
MVP,
very good.
You have 4 assists. What the heck?
Yeah, but you have Lesion,
The game is.
and Lesion gives some points when you go get into the goo mine. So now, please give me a. Oh, fuck off!
Alpha pack, nice.
I want to get an alpha pack too.
Got one. Yeah.
Schau mich an, ich bin ein Superstar. Und jeder Mensch weiß, jetzt fängt's richtig an. Ich nehme den Prime und den fette
Like
Cola.
it's all about
Sing ich aus
McDonald's.
wie der fucking Buddha. Du nimmst Cheeseburger mit Bacon extra.
Yeah, me
Das
too.
ist 5-mal besser als Essen in
No,
der
why?
Pizza.
Don't come with Burger King now.
In America, at least, it's trash.
Why? Okay. Like, if you want to go to McDonald's in Switzerland, it's like probably it's like $2.50 for one cheeseburger.
One cheeseburger in Switzerland is about 6.
What?
Madonna Hammer.
5 to 6.
A cheeseburger? I thought like
Yeah.
cheeseburger is €2 and 50 cents.
4.99. Yeah, but in Switzerland 4.99 now.
For I never order a cheeseburger because it's too expensive for that little thing. I always order
Know that a Big Mac is about 8.
no, yeah,
Germany
8.
is just a few cents.
Yeah.
60 cents or something.
Like in Germany, you can buy a cheeseburger for €1.
Yeah, in Switzerland
And like I was in England, and we decided to buy like what was it, 25 cheeseburger, because we have to spend our last money on the holidays. So they looked at us. So really?
So, Sylvan, how's it going over there?
Why? Is
You
there
still loading?
is there a problem? I don't know. I don't know what.
Absence of a problem, that's the problem.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just taking the life not too serious and just chilling, and my holiday does it as well. So who's gonna ace this time?
Me.
Me.
I swear it's gonna be not me.
I'm gonna try it, I think.
Wow! Right as I threw the impact, you walk. Toxic.
So there,
Toxic. Toxic.
lol. I saw into the head of Rook that wasn't.
Walked right in front.
It was
Exactly at the time
beautiful.
that I threw. It could have been Z. I wish it would have been.
Like
Then I could
I
take
hate
the lesion.
you.
I want the lesion.
the inside of Rook looks like my brain when I
Where
was
are you at?
when I
Where
have
you
a
at?
test.
No, I don't want the lesion right now.
Yes,
Later.
you're gonna get the lead.
No, let me spawn peek first.
There you have it.
They're here.
What means here?
Called it.
Oh.
There's one more and the don't one. Have it closed down.
Well, time to leave.
Well, it wasn't you who aced, so.
Someone walked in my Capcan trap. Wait. Legion, where were you? Ah, you were here. Oh.
You've got to be kidding me.
So now you have to ace.
Now you got to this, yeah.
Ace.
Everyone's
Ace,
always dying on
ace.
me.
Ace. Ace. One is very low actually.
And smoke or
On your left. On your left.
yeah, left. Yeah, that was clearly a ace. Don't take it too serious, please.
You guys have to stop dying, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Don't do that, please don't do that.
What was that?
Was the Minecraft villager sound.
Huh. Let's have a look. Maybe someone. Oh. How many people know that song? Oh, wow.
If you don't even know the whole song, get out. Real gamers know the whole song.
Yeah, and
By heart.
same spot as we before. Like,
I
Do
stopped.
you even know the
Okay.
Do you know the rap part of the lyrics? That's all I need to know.
Which
Do you
one?
know the fast rap part of it?
like most of the people just know like the creeper, oh man, and then it's finished.
Fake fan.
I would sing it right now, but I can't sing,
Alright, go.
so I'm not going to.
Let's hear it. Come on.
1, 2, 3, everyone's
Someone
listen
plays
to you.
It'll be overlapped by the explosions and gunfire. So
Yeah.
won't hear a lot of it.
Oh fuck!
All I heard was Opa and Bliot.
I'm on 2 HP.
I mean, if someone plays the song in the background, I mean, I wouldn't mind it, I guess.
Someone
There we
watch out, the spawn pick over.
Okay,
Ha! Got this one. Ish down, Joel. The double.
Baby tonight, the creeper's trying to steal all our stuff again. Yeah, baby tonight, the creeper.
There's someone else up there.
Grab your sword, armor, and bolt.
Fucking hell!
Run, until it's done. Until the sun comes up in the morn. Maybe tonight, creeper's trying to steal all our stuff again. Stuff.
Is Rook down up there?
Yeah,
No.
just when you think you're safe, overhears him hissing from right behind. Right behind.
So Rook is
That's a nice
probably
slice
come
of that.
from the from
Gonna
there, yeah.
This time. Blows it. Your health bar drops. You could use a 1-up. Get inside. Don't be tardy. So now you're stuck in there. Have
You
fun.
probably
You're
die.
like,
But
you're
don't
like,
die.
you're like not
Die.
singing it.
Do I have to sing it?
Yeah. Well, let's
No,
go.
Continue. I have to say it in a poem.
I can sing it.
Alright then. We need some background music.
Wait.
What do you want to sing?
Oh man.
Yeah.
And we're back in the mind, but I soon get singing from side to side, side to side.
Diamonds tonight, night, night. Diamonds tonight. Turn around and look up. Spielt das überhaupt noch? Oh, it's you again. I can.
Because baby
Night.
trying to steal all our stuff again.
I have to play that on the piano.
Yeah.
Oh, we have a furry skin. Hey.
Furries?
Yeah, I thought.
A kill. Where?
I don't know.
Who's gonna die? Where is it?
Wait, let's search for the furry.
Yep. Time to go on a crusade. A hate
Where-
crime will be committed.
I thought I saw a furry.
You saw a furry.
Yeah, I saw one. It's my NS King.
I'm not a furry. What do you mean?
Oh, you fuck.
Because I have a unicorn horn?
Ah, you.
Get out of here.
No, I'm not a furry.
Racist.
Please don't kill me.
I thought first you're a furry because I just saw your ears.
Who the heck?
Eine Bombe lokalisiert. Auf feindliche Aktionen vorbereiten.
Could they chill one more second with...
Heal me, Doc. Getting shocked.
Best doc ever.
Thank you.
You want...
Yeah.
Yippie du Schweinebacke.
Yay?
Got him! What happened to the chunker? Oh. I see.
Run out, not my strength.
Von feindkontrollierte Zone betreten. Sofort verlassen. Du wurdest entdeckt. Ein Kämpfer des eigenen Trupps.
Oh well, never mind. It was too slow. I was run out like, where are they? Schiene links, rechts meine ich, sorry.
Letzter verbleibender Gegner.
Diffuse, diffuse, diffuse.
Yeah, but well.
There.
Easy.
I would be positive and say that we can still win this, but honestly, I'm.
No.
Sure, we can win.
So let's win.
If we
Did I
will
hear
try
amazing?
hard, then we
Okay, let's try harder one round. Yeah.
Oh, bad.
And now picked recruit.
I try hard at all the other rounds. I don't.
No, I actually didn't. Just was like, okay, well, let's swinging.
I actually try hard at this last game. Right.
Yeah, we actually saw. Like pre-firing all the time.
Trying.
Oh yeah.
I have to drone a little bit more.
Yeah.
I'm just like, okay, run in. And oh, I died. Hey, congratulations.
It's a celebration.
Ihr müsst eure Drohne verwenden, um eine Bombe aufzuspüren.
I hope I didn't scare you.
No, no.
I'm terrified. I've soiled
How is
myself.
Silvan
I'm
on the
terrified.
first place? What the fuck?
Am I?
Every time Silvan-
LOL! I'm back, guys! Yay!
Actually, now he's very good.
So, look.
Why are my aces brown?
No, you won't. I'm gonna team kill you.
Best player ever.
Shroud, who's that? Move over. It's mayonnaise king time.
No!
You.
Yes.
are thicker than the sneaker, heavy like a shaker,
How fast is my drone? How?
and you're dead.
Was supposed to get cooked.
Last one's Echo.
Yep. Oh no, Echo. I hate Echo. So they
Time to
probably
rotate
gonna.
pistol.
They probably gonna. Wait. Let me get out. Get onto the roof before you.
Smoking over there every time, man.
Yeah,
Where?
I saw it. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get up there.
Du hast den Entschärfer
What the fuck? I haven't seen him actually.
Got the spawn
What
peak.
an asshole.
Yeah. There's probably come another one out. So it's okay.
Time to go try hard.
Oh no.
We're going try hard this game, right?
That
For
was
this round.
the try hard.
Yeah. That's another one.
I
That's
tried
another one.
enough.
Rook is also there. Twitch.
So that's
Wait.
Luke's there, yeah, I know.
no, some,
No, see,
a little
she's now. He's now somewhere else.
he won't go out.
Control room. This control room spawn peeping. Speaking as control room. Yeah.
Entschärfer muss zurückgeholt
Ow.
werden.
Echo go.
2 versus 4.
He's still there somewhere.
That should roll.
Come on, Silvan. Get your MVP back. Nope. Go up there and use the left window to get in there and then kill him. Don't go here. No, don't go, please. Wow. Go in this window. And then watch on your right. Go in there.
15 Sekunden.
Yeah, he was there.
Yeah, I saw him.
Time. Just push. It's
Oh fucking hell.
side now. No time.
Einer vom eigenen Team verbleibt.
Actually, no time.
Yay! I got one kill.
It's gonna be better.
I got the kill at last second.
Look at me, I don't have any kills.
Eish. Wow, 10 points. I now would be MVP.
I can spend you one.
Next one's gonna be better.
Yeah, hopefully.
I hope.
Next one must be better. So now I know a new like spawn peak for if I am in this room to go.
What?
Now I know another like spawn peaking spot when I'm in this room. Like there were Legion and Rook was up there.
Ah.
Oh no. That's gonna be fun on this map. Oh, hate up there.
I like dogs.
So you like Quadra Race Yacht Race 8?
He's not a dog though.
Sure, he's Doc.
Oh.
Yeah,
hate
I knew.
that.
I knew. It's quite a bad one.
Who will do an ace this time?
That front.
Actually, we've got the dog talisman.
I kick your mom. Toxic.
Achtung, ein Bombenstandort ist in Gefahr.
Jesus, I hate drones.
No. I will not say it to your face. I'm bad.
10 Sekunden. Noch 5 Sekunden.
Oh, is someone gonna spawn peek?
Der Gegner hat eine Bombe lokalisiert. Macht euch an.
Is someone gonna die in 1 second?
Look who's bad. I'm sorry, I'm way too happy
Who's
about
that?
that.
Jesus. There's Buck.
Jesus, Mutter Maria Gottes.
Ja, genau. Heilige Mutter Maria. No. No. Okay, so
Sweet Jesus.
there's
One
yeah,
outside, on the one.
Got him.
there's Dokaibi and Buck at the skylight.
Oh no.
There's Dokaibi and
Calling.
yeah, up there. Don't mark Ash is upstairs on Quadra Yacht. Yeah. Joel, wenn du hinten rausrennst, oben durch wirst du Ash killen. Oben durch. Okay.
Over there.
Nein, auf der anderen Seite. Also schon wieder vorne runter.
Okay.
Und der Kebi muss irgendwo dort oben sein. Das war mal das Skylight gewesen. Am anderen hat sie mich gekillt. Ja, habe ich etwas gehört.
Ein Gegner verbleibt.
Oh, ja, verkämmt in dem Room mit dem Diffuser. Verkämmt die einfach.
Diffuser room.
Diffuser is on ping. So, camp on the diffuser and play it. So we probably won this one. So everyone's going to diffuser. Good job.
I will just let you do all the stuff, you know.
Lol.
Where
I have
were
to
you?
rest. I did it.
You gotta rest?
Hey, at least I'm 10 points.
Alright, then don't play this game. All ace.
Okay then.
I think I play Thatcher all the time and never be useful.
Ihr müsst eure Drohne verwenden, um eine Bombe aufzuspüren.
Okay, quite rubber banding going on there.
Open areas clear.
Downstairs clear.
I think they're downstairs. Okay.
Downstairs clear.
Fuck.
I think
They
they are at the
Upstairs.
upstairs.
No, they're not.
Yeah,
They're
upstairs.
definitely basement.
Drohne hat eine Bombe lokalisiert.
Oh, I have diffuser? Perfect. Now I don't have to
They've
ask for it.
they've got a smoke elite.
Zum Einsatz.
Yeah,
They've
let's
got
not
the
let
smoke
you
elite
use
skin.
diffuser.
Oh my god, that's so.
Oh wow. Bad. Only I can own it.
So you gotta kill him.
Yeah, that's fair. Alright, everyone stay back. No, everyone stay outside. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna try and ace. If I don't ace, then you guys can get the kills. It's gonna be
So
like 30 seconds, because I'm gonna die.
Yeah,
But
but like. hurry
won't
up.
you let the
Alright.
diffuser out here? So if you diary,
Let the diffuser back.
first lesion trap.
Lesion.
One on ping, I could kill him easy. But you want to donate? Nice.
There we go, that's two.
One more on ping. One more in this room, in this little room, but there are some lesion.
I have to support you.
Ah, Jaeger got me. I got two of them though.
Okay, let's go.
Rip.
Okay, attack. Watch out, lesion is in in this room.
Okay, that scared me.
Ich hab eine EMP-Granate geworfen.
Fuck.
Verbleibende Operator vom eigenen Trupp.
Ja, der hast du den Kopf gesehen links. Links hast du den Kopf gesehen und hinter dem Tisch.
Ein Gegner verbleibt.
Ah.
Eigener Trupp
Oh,
Nice try.
behind. Oh, this was the smoke.
Sneaker Bastards für Shotgun. Wo sind wir? Schließfeuer, Wachraum. We're quite always like the same operators.
I love Legion and I love Twitch. It's a serious relationship.
Oh,
Jeez, why don't you just marry him then? Jeez.
I
God.
can.
Why not?
I would, but I can't. And I'm not allowed to marry multiple people.
Why you weren't?
Wait, why not? Maybe they're okay with.
Germany?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a law?
It's like game characters, but still.
I don't know.
Hey man, if they can do it in Japan, you can do it here.
Yeah, like in Abu Dhabi, it's okay. Only if you're a man.
Oh, that's kind of wild.
Like once from my friend, his ex was asked by a guy from Abu Dhabi if she would be his 7th girlfriend.
Ooh,
That was quite weird.
which friend?
Leandros, Cookie.
Yeah.
Jesus, there are still some drones. Jesus Christ.
Yes.
So diffuser is there. I tried to plant there a Capcom trap and he rushed me and I luckily killed him. Is there somewhere?
Duka B is in there. Yeah.
Du meine Fresse.
Have fun, Sylvan.
Where's the man?
2 guys there.
In tunnel?
2 guys there.
Okay, I've got. Still in.
There's one on stairs. I'm pretty sure Dokubi is on stairs.
I got one.
Another.
Yeah.
They opened a patch.
I don't think there are more than 2 in tunnel.
What the fuck is
Yes.
going on with
It's over
Ash?
there. Watch out.
I'm rotating.
So, maybe window is open up.
Fucking Ash, could you stop making some noises? There was someone, somewhere a grenade.
Sledge from the hedge. I was rhyming.
What? Behind, push a mirror. Yeah.
Red.
Easy one. I did the last kill.
Bro, it's not even gonna show mine. Okay, fine.
I just made 2 supports and 2 kills. I thought like
I'm doing nothing. Literally nothing.
you're doing that what I've done the rounds before.
Exactly.
Look at that Z I'm carrying now.
We kind of switched roles, you know.
Yeah. But I'm quite happy with this one.
I'm not. I'm completely not happy. with
So
that.
you could probably switch your role with Shoel. So then you would be happy and I would be happy because Shoel is lost one. I wouldn't be lost one.
Wouldn't be happy.
Can you like give me your 6 kills, please?
No.
I'm gonna
If
send you
not-
toe pics.
I would say
I'll trade with
can
you.
have 2 of them because then I'm MVP.
Oh well,
Would
it's
be over Silvan. That would be
upstairs.
no, not up.
No. Oh, never mind.
Yes, upstairs.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Shut the
Don't argue
fuck
with
up.
me. Stop arguing with me.
So
Okay, they're upstairs.
my
They're
favorite
going upstairs.
my favorite cam.
Not upstairs.
I know.
What?
Right side.
Oh no.
In there is
I
the
mean,
bomb.
imagine you gonna
They-
die, just see this picture.
There is someone at the Aktienhandel.
I'ma kick my
Yes.
own balls.
I don't know how it's called in English.
How would that work?
He kicks it. Them.
You know, I talk a lot of crap, you know. You should know that by now.
Fair. Ooh, I got both the Kaid traps.
Smoke in your fucking asshole, whatever.
Do someone need Thatcher?
What the fuck is fucking smoke? I hate him.
I ask my question again. Do someone need Thatcher?
No!
Lol.
Fucking smoke is killing everyone.
He's 50 HP.
Where is he?
Kaid got me.
Oh,
Jesus.
he's an asshole. Oh no. Both in the same room.
Is
Silvan,
someone
go in
upstairs?
there.
Go in
They're
there.
right in there.
I mean
Go
up.
to the other side. You can go in there easily.
Okay.
No. Wait. Go. Now open up. And then go into the window. Behind. Don't go there. Go in there. Yeah. There should be no one, but on the right side there are two. Yeah, right. Nice. Now you got one kill. On your right. Silvan, go to the diffuser and then go to the IQ from the...
Nur noch einer vom eigenen Trupp. Eigener
Yeah,
Trupp wurde
that
eliminiert.
scared me.
Timing.
The timing, yeah.
Expect that.
I hear something like I should pre-fire it. I should pre-fire more often.
Me too, buddy, me too.
I liked that a lot. Yeah, that right there. Nice.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Lesion. Oh my god.
Legion himself was beautiful.
His elite has a massive bulge.
Bomben sichern.
Oh, we're here again.
You know they put a skin on his gadget, right?
Yeah, it's terrible. You only
It's
see it for
like-
like 1 second.
It's
Look at
like
Legion's
beautiful,
bulge.
but it's terrible, so yeah.
Look how big it is. Why is it a triangle? It's like a pyramid bulge.
Standort der
Schau.
Bombe in Gefahr.
Look at him.
Flächen planen.
Nasty.
Nasty little bitches.
I ain't trying to
Sorry,
see Legion's
strong
triangle
language.
bulge.
Es bleiben 10 Sekunden.
I don't want that.
Run, better run.
Run, run, run. You better stop.
Stop!
Got some help!
Stop it! Get some help.
Oh my fucking god! One server room done. Last round, so try. Nice bandit. What are you thinking of?
Dying. Just dying. Please kill me.
He's
No.
look so disgusting.
Pretend I'm slamming my head into this wall.
Okay.
Already made a hole.
Where?
There's a big giant entrance room. Don't know the name.
You try killing them with the dog pistol?
That's Ash, I'm pretty sure. I don't know who it is actually. Dog, you should probably heal yourself. Ow.
Yeah, but
Who just
he's
shot
right
me?
there. Fuck.
Silvan, go, go, go! Silvan, go, go! Now on your right, on your right.
Res me, res me, res me.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Silvan! Oh no, Silvan! Oh man! Come down,
Come behind him. Go.
Jump on his head.
Oh, he's behind the desk. I don't know how I didn't see him. It's glass.
Silvan, you're not.
I hate drone holes.
Probably got you through the job.
I
hate
hate
holes.
them all.
Yeah, I hate holes. Holes
I
suck.
hate my life. This is disgusting.
Lol. Because I slammed my head into my desk, my phone started, restored it. Okay, weird. Okay, my kill or my try to kill the what was it? Was it thermite? Like shoot a perfect silhouette around it.
By the way,
I'm gonna leave for now.
What?
I'm gonna leave for now.
Alright, lads, and one female. I'm gonna dip.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Thank you for playing. Yep.
No problem.
Yep.
I have to say. Bye.
Bye.
Yep, I'm also leaving. See you guys.
Yeah,
Thank
bye.
you for playing. It was fun.
Yeah, maybe see you another
Bye.
time.
You too.
Of course.
So, jetzt können wir zu Deutsch wechseln, ne?
Ja, ich glaube schon. Machen wir weiter?
Vielleicht nur eins oder so.
Ja, also eins glaube ich mache ich auch noch und dann bin ich auch weg. Alles gut?
Ja. Oh lol. Es wird einfach nur scheiße heiß in meinem Zimmer, weil ich ganz im Dachstock wohne. Und mein Vater mein Klimagerät Dingsbums Fernbedienung weggenommen hat. Oh. Hell no.
Ja, Mann, Favela.
Ja, ist so eine.
Oh yeah.
Ist
mappa di merda.
Ist irgendwie so eine Hassliebe bei mir. Ah ne, warte, da brauche ich Thatcher definitiv nicht. Was spielen wir denn? Joel, du weißt, für was es Zeit ist. Wenn diese Sachen ablehnt. Okay. Geht's den Ohren noch gut?
Halb, halb.
Alter, was läuft im Chat ab, ey?
Wir müssen eine Bombe aufspüren.
Well.
Actually, that escalated quick.
Oh boy.
Oh nee, ich habe sogar den Diffuser. What?
Achtung, eure Drohne hat eine Bombe lokalisiert. Einsatz in 5 Sekunden. Gelangt zu der Bombe und entschärft sie. Haltet nach anderen Ausschau.
Hä, wieso bin ich...
Dankeschön.
Hä, ich bin unfair... Ah, jetzt klettert er. Wo sind denn die eigentlich oben? Ich wurde
Ach so,
entdeckt.
jetzt klettert er erst.
Du, IQ, scan mal.
Du.
Wow.
Digga, ich werde die ganze Zeit. What the fuck, where? Blackbeard, I will open up.
Hä, wo sind die?
Jäger slow.
Wait, what?
Ja, du kannst da keine mehr rein. Silvan, go in.
Shit.
On your left, Silvan.
Left.
Pinged. One is on your... Oh, both on your left. You can plant, you can plant.
Du hast den Entschärfer fallen gelassen.
Watch out.
Entschärfer wurde erneut gesichert.
Left, yeah, right there. One in this room, and the other one on the right. Go kill him.
Eigener
Lol.
Nice try.
Weiß, einmal geprefeiert. Hallo, ja gut, ich wäre tot gewesen.
Die Bomben sichern.
Ja, Silvan.
Geht alles in Ordnung.
Die Gegner haben eine Bombe lokalisiert. Verteidigung entsprechend planen. Es bleiben noch 10 Sekunden. Es bleiben 5 Sekunden. Der Gegner hat eine Bombe lokalisiert. Macht euch angriffsbereit.
Oh shit. Fuck.
Das ist.
Wo ist Mayonnaise?
Der ist schon lang gegangen, ich bin tot. Crushed.
Wo denn?
Ja, im Raum.
Vom Feind kontrollierte Zone betreten. Sofort verlassen. Sein Standort ist
No.
beendet. Achtung, die Gegner
Oh,
haben
fuck.
eine Bombe lokalisiert.
One above me.
Ein Kämpfer des eigenen Trupps verbleibt.
Unfortunate.
Die Gegner entschärfen eine Bombe. Ihr Entschärfer muss deaktiviert werden. Letzter verbleibender
Nice.
Gegner.
Oh, nice. Circle.
Where?
Entschärfer lokalisiert. Die Bomben
I got him.
den Entschärfer deaktiviert.
Could be close.
Oh, fuck.
No!
Entschärfer wurde nicht deaktiviert. Der Gegner hat die Bombe.
Fuck this. It's so quiet in the voice chat. Really, mate? Oh.
Rückt zur Bombe vor und entschärft sie.
What are you doing, guys?
Nothing?
One spawn pick.
Rook ist auf der anderen Seite. One is at the other side. Ich aim sonst von da drauf. Joel, ist gut.
Ah?
Ich aim sonst von da drauf. Wow, der ist offen.
What the fuck? Silvan are watching her.
Ich bin da gespottet.
Silvan, can you watch over there?
There? Hm.
I will open up.
Warden.
Joel, can I have the diffuser?
Yeah. I will drop it here.
Entschärfer fallen gelassen. Entschärfer wurde erneut gesichert.
Hey, da ist irgendwo ein Kamera.
Warden dead. Planten.
Entschärfer ist aktiviert. Beschützt ihn um jeden Preis. Nur noch ein Gegner übrig.
Come on. Stairs coming up.
Ich stehe. Aiming on the diffuser.
One has to go in. Okay, so one, stay there.
I'm aiming from outside on the diffuser.
It's coming upstairs. Oh, nice try. Silvan, just stay back. Good job.
Gegner eliminiert. Eigener Trupp erfolgreich.
Fuck off. Joel. Meine Fresse. What wasn't that?
Was denn?
Der E-Rape vom Festival.
Ja. Silvan, hast du das auch immer, wenn du als Operator, also im Spiel, so überländst, oder? Mit QD.
Mhm.
Du durch in Real Life immer so meinen Kopf, so links und rechts.
Nein, das mache ich nie. Aber das ist so.
Nicht, oder?
Ich muss mal ein bisschen lernen über Kopf.
Ah, das kann ich auch nicht. Ruf sagen, der kann nicht.
Doch, ich finde es zum Teil Huren OP im Fall.
Ja. Ja, die meisten schauen schon nie auf.
Standort der Bombe in Gefahr. Entsprechend klar.
Ich hoffe, ich mache jetzt nicht deine Frost Trap kaputt. Nö, gut. Weil du hast dich so näher an die Wand hin tun. Beim Eingang.
10 Sekunden. 5 Sekunden noch. Bombe vom Gegner entdeckt.
I literally don't like this spot.
Reinforced?
No
I
reinforcement.
don't have any.
I don't have.
Being tracked.
Check hole.
Sorry, sorry.
It's alright, it's alright.
Dynamis lot, watch out. One is on you. Right on you.
Okay.
Nomad.
Yeah.
I pinged him.
Nomad is probably from this direction.
He's laying on the ground. He's coming like a snake, watch out. Right now. Shoot, shoot, shoot. I was tracked with Chuck. So, I have to change.
Wenn du in dieser Zone bleibst, wirst du von Feinden entdeckt. Du bist aufgeflogen.
That was so fucking hell silly.
Is this here?
Nice,
Du
good.
wirst entdeckt, wenn du in dieser Zone bleibst.
I just will stay outside to.
He's here on. Okay, no.
Or if he's rappling, don't peek.
Huh?
Where? What the fuck?
He's
He's
upstairs.
here, man.
I never did.
Don't peek.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, he's rappelling up left there, Mozzie. He's rappelling up left there, right at the top of the building.
Just survive, guy.
So, yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah, play that.
It's Maverick. Oh,
Maverick, Maverick.
stay back, guys. We have to kill him.
Where's the diffuser?
You could
I'm
just
checking
chill.
the Yeah, let him go in.
Ein Kämpfer des
Ja.
eigenen Trupps verbleibt.
Oh no. Come on,
Sorry.
Stone Rocket. I believe in you. Check out the cams. All of you, please.
Yeah.
He went into the
The
camps
fuck?
and
Can't
went
close
out
the
again.
cam, what?
Yeah, he's droning. He's probably come from garage, I think.
15 Sekunden. 10 Sekunden noch.
Oh, I saw him. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, fuck.
Good job.
Well done! That was beautiful.
Lie.
Right into the trash. Down.
Just like rubbish. Bye.
Yeah.
Am I the only one who reads always Tachenka's sleeping room?
Chenka?
Ja, anstatt Tantres. Tantechenere.
No idea.
Nee. Ich lese aber da immer Tachankas Schlafzimmer so. What the heck?
Da steht
Ja.
Ons. Also beziehungsweise Tante Dingsbums, oder nicht?
Keine Ahnung. Ich sag dem jetzt einfach Tachankas Schlafzimmer.
Die Bomben schützen.
Come on, last round.
Ja, und der Tryharder wieder. Come on, tryhard.
Wer du?
Get
Du.
your armor, boys!
Boy, where's Lesion?
Armor. I like armor.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
10 Sekunden noch. Noch 5 Sekunden.
Armor.
So play attention. They may rush. They may rush from down garage.
Nomad. Here.
stairs. No med stairs.
Which the? You're lost.
I spotted.
Don't see anything. Oh fuck! One on me, please. One on ping. Heal. One right over there on ping.
Ow.
Oh
No
god,
med still on
what?
stairs.
Die Gegner haben eine Bombe lokalisiert.
Der meine Fresse.
I'm so dead. Nice, good job. Nice.
I've shooted it.
Yeah, well, one's rapping
night.
inside and the other one's inside.
One
On ping.
came in.
Rotating back to.
No med on ping.
I'm rotating completely. I'm trying to.
Okay, one is down there.
Nice.
Campus out,
He's on
campus
ping.
out.
Ping, on ping.
On stairs, got like 5 HP left.
Oh my fucking
Play
gosh,
safe, play
fuck
safe,
yourself.
play safe.
Play safe. He's coming up the stairs. What the fuck, he got 13 kills! Wow.
Change position, change position.
He's coming up. Right side. Oh!
Maverick. Yeah,
right there. Oh fuck.
that was the gun right behind you.
On your right, on your right. Go over there, go over there. You have to. Oh fuck, fuck, fuck. Yeah, 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 nice. Stay there.
Stay.
Shoot. Nah, fuck.
Just stay safe behind there, so he can't kill you with Maverick holes, like the tiny holes.
Watch stairs on your right side. Left side. You have to change
Yeah.
position.
Going to the drone. Drone you again. Now
Oh, no, it's
change.
coming.
Change.
On your left, on your left, on your left. Behind you, behind you.
Sekunden noch.
Don't peek, don't peek. Watch out.
Es bleiben noch 5 Sekunden.
Just aim there.
He won't get it, he won't get it. GG.
GG.
Good job.
Zeit ist abgelaufen.
Nice match, guys.
Wow, was intense. Yeah,
What the fuck? He got
Intense
Good.
13 kills.
good job to stay back there.
His team was so bad, actually.
Thanks for carrying us.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch out the other team. They're
I think our team with is like 3 kills, 4 kills, and the other one is like 13, and the rest's like
Yeah.
1 lucky kill.
same as we.
No, we got like
Then.
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Goodbye. Sleep well.
Someone sent me a friendly.
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Thomas.
Ja. Gut, easy.
Bye bye.
Bye. Alter, das letzte Spiel. Alter, das letzte Spiel ist jetzt eigentlich intens gesehen.
Ah, schon.
Also, erstmal.
Gehen du offline?
Ja, jetzt schon. Alter, jetzt. Erstmal Push-to-Talk wieder anstellen. Ne?
Was wieder an?
Push-to-Talk anstellen und nicht mehr Dauer senden. Alter, weißt ich- ich sehe nur so, wenn eine Kamera abschießt, oder? Stehe so hinten dran, so hinterlegt, Crouch extra. So, er kommt rauf, wirklich, und im letzten Schuss gibt er mir, glaube ich, noch einen Headshot. Und der andere, der Jack Hell, das muss so Ich pieke in den Raum rein, fetz das ganze Magazin ins Gestell rein. Er hat es anscheinend nicht gehört, und dass ich Schalldämpfer drauf hatte. Gang hinterher, lädt noch einmal nachher. Er aimt komplett auf die Fallsteuer, kommt noch einmal rein, ballert noch einmal 90% von der Schüsse dagegen, und nachher der letzte war der Headshot gewesen. Der 62. Schuss auf den ist der Headshot gewesen. Ah, das ist so... Oh Gott, Hilfe. Du also.